Northwood High School's Winter Guard competed at the Winter Guard Association Southern California Championship on April 12th at Portola High School, placing 6th in the high school AA division. The championship, hosting 56 ensembles, is the team's largest competition of the year and marks the official end of the competitive season. After months of training and teamwork, the team stepped onto the mat for one final performance. Here's how they got there. Preparation for the championship tournament starts long before performance day.
What we do to prepare for it is definitely just especially during championship week, we just run the same thing over and over and over to make sure we get it right. And if you have a mistake, you try to fix it as much as possible before you get docked off points by it.
So our show theme is called Solstice, and it's basically like the changing of the seasons. So from what I remember, I think we're starting off as winter, but then during the show we're, blossoming into spring, I'm pretty sure.
Before they know it, the weeks of practice are behind them, and it's time for the tournament.
Please welcome our next guard from Irvine, California, the Northwood High School Color Guard.
I was insanely nervous going in. I was pretty much about to faint from how nervous I was, but I tried my best. I channeled all my anxiety, all my jitters into I guess excitement. It's okay, this is it. I need to put all into it, and it's I don't know, it was just amazing.
And now, performing their program, Solstice, is the guard ready? Northwood High School Color Guard, you may now take the floor in championship competition.
After the performance, the team gathered to reflect, share goodie bags, and listen to heartfelt speeches from the seniors.
But I mean, as the time goes on, you know how you said something about this, how this team is the one you've been searching for? I feel like you have been the co-captain I have been searching for all my years. The two of us, we work well.
And not long after, awards were ready to be announced.
In 6th place with a score of 69.10, Northwood High School.
The WGASC tournament was over, but Winter Guard had a lot more to take home than just awards. They had memories.
And then it felt like one of those decisions in a video game that was this decision will drastically alter your story, and this is the best ending.